Hello, future officers. Welcome to e-education. If you are preparing for UPSC, State PCS, you can join our Telegram group, our Facebook page, and you can subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon for regular update. Today in this segment, we will discuss about today's PIV with MCQ and explanation. Okay, so let's start today's session. First question: which of the following countries are members of ASEAN? 1. Brunei, 2. Cambodia, 3. Laos, and 4. Vietnam. Now, select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 4 only, that are Brunei and Vietnam. Option B, 2 and 4 only, that is Cambodia and Vietnam. Option C, 3 only, that is Laos only. And option D, all are correct. So friend, here ASEAN member are Brunei, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam. All are correct. So the correct option is option D. Okay. Move on to the explanation. Association of Southeast Asian Nation or ASEAN is a regional grouping that promotes economic, political and security cooperation. Okay, let's see the map. Here you can locate the places, that is Myanmar, Thailand, Singapore, Cambodia, Indonesia, Vietnam. Here it is Malaysia, Laos, Philippines and Brunei. Okay, it was established in August 1967 in Bangkok, Thailand, with the signing of ASEAN Declaration, that is also called Bangkok Declaration, by the founding father of ASEAN. They are Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. Okay, these are 5 founding members. Then at present the members are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam. Okay, its chairmanship rotates annually based on the alphabetical order of the English names of the member states. Move on to the next question. With reference to Army Aviation Corps, consider the following statements. Okay, statement 1. The Corps cooperate helicopters like Dhruv, Advanced Light Helicopter, Chetaks and Chital. Statement 2. It supports the Army's deployment in low altitude areas only. And statement 3. Women's officers have always played an important part in frontline flying duties of the Army Aviation Corps. Now, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 2 and 3 only. Option B, 1 only. Option C, 1 and 2 only. And option D, all are correct. Let's see once again. Here the correct option is option B, that is 1 only correct. The Corps cooperate helicopters like Dhruv, Advanced Light Helicopter like Chetaks and Chital. This is absolutely correct. It supports Army's deployment in low altitude areas only is incorrect. Women officers have always played an important part in frontline flying duties. This is also incorrect. So correct option is option B only. Let's see the explanation. Army Aviation Corps was raised in November 1986. It operates the Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter, Chetaks, Chetas, Chital helicopters. Okay, that's why statement 1 is correct. It carries out an important role in supporting Army's deployment in high altitude areas, including Siachen Glacier. So that was statement 2. That's why statement 2 is incorrect. Okay. Until now, women officers were assigned only ground duties, not the frontline flying duties in the Army Aviation Corps. So that's why statement 3 is incorrect. Now move on to the next question. Consider the following statements regarding the World Bank. Okay. Statement 1. The Bretton Woods Conference of 1944 created the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, that is IBRD, which later became the World Bank. Statement 2. The World Bank was created along with the World Economic Forum. And Statement 3. The International Finance Corporation is an institution of the World Bank, but the International Development Association is not. Okay. Let's see the options. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. And option D, 3 only. So here the correct option. The Bretton Woods Conference of 1944 created the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, that is IBRD, which later became the World Bank, is absolutely correct. World Bank created along with World Economic Forum is incorrect. International Finance Corporation is an institution of the World Bank, but the International Development Association is not. This is also incorrect. Move on to the explanation. The Bretton Woods Conference held in 1944 created the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, that is IBRD, along with IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. Okay, that's why statement 2 is incorrect, and the IBRD later become the World Bank is absolutely correct. So statement 1 is correct. The World Bank Group is a unique global partnership of 5 institutions working for sustainable solution that reduce poverty and build shared prosperity in developing countries. Okay, and it has at present 189 members. India is also a member country. Let's see the 5 institutions. So the 5 development institutions are the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, that is IBRD, International Development Association, IDA, International Finance Corporation, IFC. That's why statement 3 is incorrect. And multilateral guarantee agencies, International Center for the Settlement of Investment Dispute. And India is not a member of ICSID, that is International Center for the Settlement of Investment Disputes. Okay. Move on to the next question. Consider the following statements regarding CAFE regulation. Statement 1. It was notified by the Union Ministry of Power under Energy Conservation Act 2001. Statement 2. Its regulation is in accordance with the fuel consumption standard that aim to increase fuel efficiency of vehicles on the road by 35% by 2030. Okay. Now, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. And option D, neither 1 nor 2. So here, first statement, it was notified by the Union Ministry of Power under the Energy Conservation Act 2001 is absolutely correct. The regulation is in accordance with the fuel consumption standard that aim to increase fuel efficiency of vehicle on the road by 35% by 2030. This is also absolutely correct. So the correct option is option C, that is both are correct. Move on to the explanation. The Corporate Agency Fuel Efficiency Regulation, that is CAFE, were first notified in 2017 by the Union Ministry of Power under the Energy Conservation Act 2011. So that's why statement 1 is correct. The regulation is in accordance with the fuel consumption standard of 2015 that aims to increase the fuel efficiency of vehicles on the road by 35% by 2030. That's why statement 2 is also correct. Move on to the next question. The International Center for Integrated Mountain Development is working for the people of Hindu Kush Himalayan region. Statement 2. The ICIMOD is located in Dehradun, India. And now, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. And option D, neither 1 nor 2. Let's see once again. The International Center for Integrated Mountain Development is working for the people of Hindu Kush Himalayan region is absolutely correct, and this is located in Dehradun, India is incorrect. Move on to the explanation. Because the ICIMOD is based on in Kathmandu, Nepal, and it works for the 8 regional member countries that are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Myanmar, Nepal and Pakistan. So that's why statement 2 is incorrect. And International Center for Integration Mountain Development and Intergovernmental Knowledge and Learning Center working for the people of Hindu Kush Himalaya. That's why statement 1 is correct. Okay, so this is, and the Hindu Kush Himalayan mountain ranges span Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan and Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. Okay, so this is all for this segment. If you like this session, do like, subscribe our channel if you are new in this channel, and comment in the comment section if you have any doubt regarding this session. I will try to reply you soon, and do share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.